Okay, so what I want to do now is show you a way to stop bands slipping on a catapult. If you have a catapult slingshot without band grooves, you can sometimes, when you pull the bands, you get slight slippage, or worst case scenario, the bands actually come off. This is just a quick trick to stop that occurring. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a piece of, this is 1745 tubing, put it inside the band and then tie the band as normal to the, in this case, PFS. So just cut the tube to approximately the right length. And then basically everything else is as normal, as you would normally tie a band to the frame. Just make sure you get it nice and tight against the tube. Wrap it around a few times. Put the string in. A few more times around. About 3 times before and 3 times afterwards. But I know everybody's got their own method of doing it. I think I've just done it 5 while I'm talking. Snip the band. Pull it through, then just pull the tube out through the band till it's level and snip off the excess, and there you go. And that stops all slippage. If you see that, there's no slippage whatsoever, and I'm pulling that to the absolute max that the band will expand to. Just no way that's going to slip. It's quick, it's easy, it's cheap. A bit like myself. Just do the other side and I'll speed this up in the video. There we are. No slip whatsoever.